Hey everyone, my name is Patrick Shimon, CNC instructor here at the Advanced Technology Center, where we have a 24-week curriculum that we run. We go from, and I love to say it this way, A to Z when it comes to machining. Within the first 12 weeks, what we do is we teach you how to run manual mills and manual lathes, where you'll generate also parts off those machines. The following 12 weeks consists of all CNC, where we teach you how to read and write code, how to set up machinery, tooling as well. We work with wonderful partners in the industry, such as Woodward, Advanced Machining, Kadon, Ingersoll Tool, Ingersoll Machine, and many others. Most of our students walk out of here with a job by the time they're done. Also, Chance Cruz, who's a CNC instructor in the lab itself, will go over some of the components and projects and machinery, as well as measuring devices that we teach here in the lab portion of the 24-week cohort.
So they work on some different parts. They make like a hammerhead and a dead center. And then the ending for their NIM certificate, they have to program and run a part like this. We give them a print. It's got some pretty precise dimensions, but they do pretty well. And then we send it out to a business partner, Ingersoll Cutting Tools, and they certify that it is actually good, and then send it back and they get their certificate to prove that they have those skills. So they do that for half their time. The other half of the time they spend on this side working on mills. And same kind of concept. They go through training for setup and programming and all that. They make like a 1, 2, 3 block. We have like a vice stop, and then their final part is this one, which operates the same way. They have a print, and they have to program and run to the print, and then we send it out to the same people to get certified. And if they pass the test and make the part good, they get a certification for that.